Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have the grand finale of the Home Decor Luxe Club Fall Edition, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So now the co-host of this collab is Glam Elegant Living, and that's Lady Allie, and the co-hosts are Creations by Simone, Decorating Ann's Place, the Rodgers House, Glam Design by Ann, DIY Design by CCW, at Penny's Place, Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, Amethyst Adventures, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, and A Happy Hoarder. So now I hope that you guys really enjoyed these videos, especially all of these beautiful creators. And so with that being said, we ask you to full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and don't forget to head on over to that playlist so that you can get our last minute ideas and creations for your holiday season. Okay, so now what I decided to do, and as you can see I already started, is decorating a tabletop, but I'm also going to do a vignette. So stay tuned for that. Let's just jump into the video. I'm going to let you enjoy it with some music, and I'll pop in every now and then. I did with this wooden rose wreath is take it outside and spray it with the metallic silver paint, and then right in the center I put some diamonds. I like to say diamonds, they're loose gems. And doesn't it look absolutely beautiful? Now here's the wreath that I made with all pearls. That one really came out nice too. So the pearls are front and back of the circular wire that I was using. And so this came out absolutely beautiful also. I hope you like it too.